U.S. stocks falling sharply this Thursday morning as big tech shares, they continue to decline ahead of the earnings reports that are due out after the closing bell. Meanwhile, investors, they're also taking in a record drop in U.S. GDP figures. Meanwhile, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, as well as Facebook, they representing nearly $5 trillion in U.S. market capitalization, they're all set to report after the closing bell. All four are lower right now, but stocks tumbled after data showed GDP plunged by a record 32.9% in the second quarter. Moving on to the Forex market, the euro dollar, that's where we begin. That sees trade under pressure. The British pound US dollar pair, that sees trade under pressure as well, while the US dollar Japanese yen pair, that sees a bullish bias above a read of 104.75. Now, it's the Australian dollar US dollar pair that's under pressure and in focus. The pair is reversing down below the key resistance at 0.7195 and is capped by its moving averages. Short positions below 0.7165 are favored with targets at 0.7110 and 0.7085 in extension. The Bitcoin dollar, meanwhile, sees the downside prevail as long as 11,183 is the resistance. The pivot point standing at 11,183. And gold intraday sees a consolidation in place, and that's in focus. Gold is consolidating below a resistance at 1970. Short positions below 1970 are favored with targets at 1941 and 1931 in extension. This while silver intraday, that's turning down.